but your nipple should be at least here, so that whatever comes spreads on the, and it's just the same thing with this one. But now, like I said, you see, so this is a bracket. um Hi guys, and welcome back to this video. So I know you clicked on the video because you saw the importance to do so, and it's because we're going to talk about these two guys here. So we're talking about disposable breastpads, and we're also going to talk about washable dish pads, and I'm also going to share my experience on both of them and everything in between. Okay, so disposable breastpads. So why do you need the breastpads in the first place? So it's not everybody who might need the breastpads, but all the new mamas, they might need breastpads. But depending on how much milk you make, how much milk your body manufactures, then that's where you're gonna consider which one you need the most. You might need both. You might need one of them, depending. So let me just give you a quick background of how it all started. So it all started last year, March 20th, in the hospital somewhere. So if you want me to talk about giving birth in public hospital, please let me know, and I'll be very happy to do that. So just go in the comment section and write hospital, and then I'll know that you want me to try to make a video on my hospital, on my public hospital experience. Right, so I gave birth in a public hospital here in Windhoek called Central Hospital. So in every government institute, whether it's hostel, military, whatever, they usually feed their people brown bread. So like before I went there, I had not eaten brown bread like in forever. So this was just like bake again, once again, after leaving school over how many years? I left school like 2009, and I gave birth 2023. So you can just imagine how many years have passed. So that was the first time that I ate bread ever. I feel like brown bread really gave me the milk that I produced. So they introduced me to brown bread when I got back home. I never stopped. I never looked back. So it was just brown bread, rooibos tea, and rainfontaine juice. So those three are vowed by them. So I believe they are the three things that gave me so much milk. So like I said, the milk will come out any time of the day, any time of the night. So at first, before I gave birth, I bought these ones. These are the washable breast pads, and they look like this. So this is the plastic kind of situation here, and this is a cloth. So the milk will get in there but will not come out here because of this plastic situation going on here. So you put this just like that. Okay, like you make sure that your nipple is covered. You put it in there, and that's how it must look. So you put it on the nipple, and then yeah, good to go. So whenever it's full, you just pull it out, you wash it, you dry it, and then like so. So if you're on a budget like I was, and I also just thought I was not working, I was just trying to meet my husband halfway, to avoid buying these. So I bought these before giving birth. So these are the ones that I used. I think I bought about 4 pairs of these, and I think a pair is under $100 American. That was last year. If you consider inflation, maybe now they're somewhere else, but I'll try to check them and see. You can get both of these either in Clicks, in Discam, or Baby Company, Toys R Us, anywhere where they sell baby stuff. I'm not sure about retails like ShopRite and stuff, but maybe you could get them there. But I bought my baby stuff, these like mostly in Clicks and Discam. So yeah, talking about this. So one day, I think maybe it was still in the first week. Like I said, I had a lot of milk. So the father, my husband, picked his baby from work, and he was like trying to kiss him, something like that, in his face, and he smelled this horrible, horrible smell. I'll never forget the look on his face. So it was like, what is going on? What is going? Mind you, I was washing these things almost all the time. Like I said, it's 4 pairs. but because the milk was too much, it's like every 2-3 hours I would take out and wash because of how full they would get. So then he was like, what is this smell? What is this smell? Then we discovered later on that it was these things. So he was, after washing them and I was going to shower, I gave him to hang it on the line. So he was like, this thing is not clean. It looked and appeared clean, but it wasn't very clean because the smell was still there. Mind you, this is plastic. So it's my sweat, it's hot. The milk has all the nutrients, a lot of nutrients and a lot of stuff that is in there. So the smell was just there. So I would wash with whatever I'd wash it, but yeah, there was still that tiny smell that will stay. So it appears that after breastfeeding, I put it back. Right? It's on my bra. I put it back, and then the next time I just take it out. If it's not full, I just take out the booby and give it away. So whatever spilled on here, and it's in here, it's hot. It's my sweat. It's everything. Anything you put in plastic, it builds up smell. So that's how we got to that smell. So then we were like, then he was like, no, I wonder what my son is breathing. He was like, nope, we're not gonna do that. Let's try to go for disposable ones. So we got this disposable ones. Why I didn't want to use the disposable ones in the first place is just because, like I said, I was trying to save on the money that my husband was making. So he was like, I guess let's just move on to disposable ones because they're safer. I don't know if I should open it up, but let me just open it to show you how it looks. See, it's been so long that I can't even remember. But yeah. So the disposable ones, they look like this. My goodness. Yeah, like this. It doesn't look like much. It's like your pad, your period pads. That's how they are. So we have these little things here. They peel off on both sides. So that's what you use to attach on your nipple, right? Uh, not on your nipple, not on your nipple, but on your bra, right? So here is just this nice soft pad that is there. Ah, my goodness, this camera is not helping us. It's just a nice soft pad that is there. Okay, so there's no plastic anything anyway. It's just like your pad, the ones that we use for our periods, right? So yeah, so that's basically how this one is. So the idea is, when it's full, you just like your pad, you just take it out and dispose it. So there's nothing like build up smell and build up anything in these ones. In fact, when it's dry, it becomes very solid. So you can't even do anything with it. It will be painful for you. You just have to take it off. I don't know. Right now in my head, I'm thinking of like a small tutorial on how to do it. Because with this one, I just showed you how to do it. You just make sure you look for your nipple. Make sure that you put it under your nipple. Not exactly under, but your nipple should be at least here, so that whatever comes spreads on the. And it's just the same thing with this one. But now, like I said, you see, so this is a bracket. Basically, you just peel off these tiny things that I was talking about. So I loved putting mine. You can put it like this with this fold. Others put it like this. I don't know. It doesn't matter to me. But maybe there's experts here. You can all help us. So that's how you do it. That's how you do it. It's not going anywhere. It's holding. It's holding those two things. That's the purpose of those things. So I think the best way to put the thing is before you wear your bra, like so that when you just wear your bra, it's just easy. You just put it on. Okay, so take off, you're done, throw it away, you throw the bra away. Now I've wasted. Now I remember, guys, someone gave this. I can go and give this disposable breastpads because I'm done with them. I'm no longer making so much milk. Right, so I was talking about why we moved. So we moved to these because these ones were easier than the smell. All of a sudden went. My bras were not smelling anymore. So that's why we moved to this. So in terms of prices, both could be the same. So you choose your battle, which one you want to go for, but you could use both. Maybe when you are home in the night, you use the washable ones. Then in the morning, during the day, you use these ones. It's really up to you. You can see which one works best for you. You can use interchangeably, just like I've mentioned, or you could just stick to disposable ones, or you could just stick to washable ones. But with washable ones, I'll just give you one advice, which is to wash them thoroughly. I'm not sure if using warm water is a good idea because it's plastic, but just make sure that you wash them like thoroughly, and also use Stay Soft. But also the problem with Stay Soft, the baby, they're fragile and they're very delicate little human beings. So you don't know if the Stay Soft will be too strong for the little one. When you try to feed them, they might maybe get a reaction, you might suffocate them. I don't know. So that's all you have to consider between the um, breastpad, disposable and washable. So make the right choice. And if you've used any of the two, please let me know in the comment section which worked for you, and let's just help build a community of new moms. A lot of us here, we are new, we don't know what we are doing. In my case, I didn't have anyone who stayed with me to show me how this is done. So videos like this and your comments mean a lot. So just drop that comment below so that someone can learn. And also, if there's a video that you want me to make around mothering the baby, early stages, please let me know in the comment section. As for now, I wanted this video to be very short as possible, so I'll leave you guys up to here. See you in my next one.